Same person, different inboxes. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make sure that every email lands in the right place without creating any duplicates within HubSpot. My name is Jasper, I'm a certified HubSpot consultant, and let's dive right in. Prospects often have different email addresses, like they will have a personal email address, a business email address, maybe even a partner domain email address, and they will use a different address at different stages. Now, we want to make sure that we have this all figured out in HubSpot and everything is nicely streamlined to make sure that people are getting the best experience with us. So right here, we can already see what the issue specifically is. So here we see Logan Roy and Logan Roy. We have one Gmail address and we have one address at the business. So this is a great example right here, and I'm going to show you how we can fix this, and then I'll also show you how these multiple email addresses specifically work within HubSpot. So we'll go to the main email address that we want to use here. So quite often this is the business email address that we want to keep. Depends on your business, of course. So for example, if you're into real estate, maybe we want to use the personal email address instead, or you might actually want to ask your customer or your client which email address they prefer. So in this case, we're gonna go to actions and then merge. And here we can then choose which contact we want to merge in here. So we're gonna choose the Gmail address, and then you can see that you can choose which properties will be the main properties and where we want to retain the value. So here we're going to choose that we want to keep this email address right here. We'll click on merge, and now all of the data, all of the timeline activities from this Gmail address will be merged into here. And when we refresh the page now, you will see that we have two email addresses here on the left side. Now, when we click on these email addresses, you can see we have the primary email and then we have additional emails. So we can even add more email addresses right here. And we do have the option to make any of the additional email addresses the primary email address at any point. Now, how does this exactly work and what does it do when we have these multiple email addresses? First of all, before I get into this, make sure to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot excellence. So the primary email address is what will be used for marketing emails, for lists, for reports, for workflows, as well for the Salesforce sync if that's something that you're using. The additional emails will be used to capture any information for the one-on-one emails that sales sends out, for example. So if we receive an email from this Gmail address, this will still be linked to this contact record. Also, when sales sends out one-on-one emails from within HubSpot, they will have the option to choose the email address that they want to send to. So if we click on Logan Roy here, you can see that I have the option to select the Gmail address instead of the default business address. And this is done on purpose. So when we're sending out marketing emails, we don't really want to send emails to multiple email addresses from the same person. Quite often people are using one email client where they receive all of the different email accounts that they have. So when we're sending to both their Gmail as well as their business email, they will just see two emails that are exactly the same in their inbox. Of course, this is something that we do not want. So that's why it's important to have great hygiene in these email addresses and making sure that we just have the email addresses linked to the same record here, as well as we have one streamlined timeline for each contact and all of the linked records for that contact as well. Because if you have duplicate contacts, it might very well be that you have salesperson A working on one of them, salesperson B working on another one, and they would have absolutely no idea that they're both working with the same person until probably that person tells them at some point like, hey, your colleague just called me 5 minutes ago. Obviously, this is something that we do not want to happen. Now, if you like this video, I'm sure you will really love this video right here, HubSpot Sales Hub for Beginners, and I'll see you in the next one.